You love. It's not for me to say you love.
Hey nail fam, I hope you're well. It's your girl TiaBella, and Bellavena aka Double Dip was kind enough to send me over this polygel kit. This one is called the Blushing Hearts polygel kit, and I'm going to be unboxing everything and showing it to you. So immediately the packaging is just shimmery, it's just gorgeous, it feels so lush. Then you have this little insert here, and it's actually a measuring illustration. So you can actually measure your nails before you apply your tips. I thought that was a really nice touch. So here are the gorgeous glitter polygels in this collection. They are absolutely stunning. And I actually like that there is a photo showing the glitter mixes that's in each container. So we also have a little pamphlet, and this is giving a step-by-step guide on how to use the products in this kit. So you also have another little box down underneath that polygel set. Seem to have a little bit of spillage down at the bottom here, and I'm assuming that's probably the slip solution. So once I opened up this box, this is what's in here. We have an LED lamp, we have some rhinestones, we have some nail art, we also have some slip solution. And I noticed that the cap was a little bit loose, so that's probably how it kind of leaked out. But this package did come sealed, so it might have been, an issue with the manufacturing. So I'm just going to take out the remaining items in this kit, and then we are going to go ahead and swatch the gorgeous polygels. All right, so I'm very excited to swatch these because I have yet to see such gorgeous glitter polygels in my collection. I actually don't think I have any of Bellavena's polygel kits. This is actually my first. So I was super excited when they said that they were sending this over. All right, so this first one is a beautiful icy blue glitter mix polygel in here. This would have been perfect for that Christmas season, but also it's bright enough that you could also do something really tropical with it for the upcoming summer season. And now we're going to move on to this gorgeous kind of purpley, kind of like there's blue pieces in here as well. So actually those two first colors kind of complement each other, don't they? Absolutely beautiful. Now let's move on to each one of the remaining polygels. Just going to do a quick swatch of them, and then we're going to do a nail design. There are a lot of glitter in these. I think each one of these kind of have to stand on their own. So I'm only going to be using one of these polygels to do a nail design today. All right, so here is the last polygel, and this actually ended up being my favorite. There was just an element of peach and there was an element of pink, and I thought the glitter mix was very unique. It was very soft but also very bold as well. It's a glitter, it's a kind of color combination that I've not done quite yet on my channel. But anyway, here are all of the gorgeous glitter polygels. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. They are just absolutely stunning. And again, if you are interested in this kit, I will have a discount code down in the description box, as well as a link to the Double Dip website. So we are going to be doing the Lazy Girl method. And what I'm doing is I have my little 3XL full cover tips, and I'm just going to apply the Bellavena primer to the entire nail. Once I am done letting the primer air dry, then I will go in with a very thin layer of the base gel, and I'm not going to cure the base gel because I want to do a little bit of glitter. Now, when I'm doing my nail designs, when I'm not sure what I'm doing with my nails, I like to just do the thumb first before I move on to the other nails, just in case I don't like it. So we're just going to focus on doing a design on the thumb. So I'm going to be using this recent glitter mix that I got from Charlie's Nail Art. This was in one of my previous nail hauls. And then I'm going to take out some of these kind of peachy, orangey, neon butterflies that we got from Shein. And I'm just going to apply a few of them in different colors onto the nail. Like I said, the base gel has not been cured, so it's still wet. Just going to apply the butterflies and then just sprinkle on a little bit of this little glitter, and then flash cure it with my UV lamp for about 15 seconds. So the glitter and the butterflies have now been flash cured, so I'm liking how they look so far. So I'm going to take my Bellavena polygel brush, and now I'm going to go in with that polygel, that beautiful peachy, orangey, pinky kind of polygel that I really liked. So I'm going to take my Bellavena brush, dip it into this little polygel slip solution, and then pat this glitter mix into place. Now, what I will say is that this polygel has a lot of glitter. I actually didn't need the extra glitter, and because there's so much glitter pieces in it, I think I kind of drowned out the butterflies a little bit, so you can't really see that it's an actual butterfly. You can see like the little orange pieces in it, but you can't really see the butterflies in there. So lesson learned. When it comes to some glitter polygels, sometimes you just don't need that extra. So once I'm done patting the polygel into place, then I go ahead and apply it onto my nail, and then I cure it under my UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now, I'm not 100% feeling how this design actually turned out, so I'm going to do something a little bit different to the nail and not just leave it just the way it is. So I felt like, let me just finish this whole entire design on my thumb first to see if I like it. Otherwise, I was just going to actually pop it back off. So I'm going to file my nail. I'm going to buff my nail, wipe it down with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And then I decided I'm just going to go in with like a neutral gel polish to the base of my nail. Just to kind of, I don't know, I just wanted to not have such a bright nail. Because you couldn't see the butterflies. So I was just trying to save this design from looking like, I don't know, hot Cheetos or something, because I just added too much orange.
Yeah. Slow-mo. Let me know. Turn it up.
Okay, so after adding in that neutral and then that glitter gel polish, I feel like it's not too overpowering. The orange is a little bit you know, it's looking more like an ombre instead of the entire nail. So I'm satisfied with how that looks so far. And now I'm just going to go in with a layer of top gel over my entire nail. And then I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. But before I cure this under my UV lamp, I did want to go in just with a little bit of decoration. So I'm going to grab one of my little dainty charms. It's like a little bow with have some stripes on it. I got this from Shein, and then I'm just gonna put like a rhinestone onto this nail just to add, I don't know, just I felt like it just needed something and I couldn't just leave it by itself. So you would remember these rhinestones that I got from Shein, and then I'm going to use some of the rhinestones that actually came in this kit. Okay guys, here's how that nail is looking. I feel like it's okay. I feel like it looked a little bit better than it previously was. What do you think? I think I should have just left it alone the way it was. All right, so I got the go ahead since I felt like I could still save this design. I went ahead and start to apply my primer as well as some base gel to the remainder of the nails. Then I'm just going to apply everything onto my nail. So this same design that I did on my thumb, I did the exact same design on my ring finger. And then the other nails, I just kind of just went just with the glitter polygel by itself because this was a lot of glitter and I felt like it was orange everywhere. So I hope I didn't go too overboard. I just really just wanted to use the products that were in this kit, but a nice nude polygel would have gone great with this. All right, so all the nails are on. Here is how they are looking. So now that they have been cured, it is time to file and buff. So I take my 180 file and I start to file around the cuticle areas as well as the side of the nails. Then I take my buffer and then I remove that surface shine from on top of the nails, use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and wipe the nails down. Once I am done, then I finish off the nail design on my ring finger, just like I did on my thumb, and then we're going to move on to the other nails. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit of art to my nails, and Bellavena Double Dip also sent me over their Christmas gel liner, and this is an absolutely stunning collection. I will be doing a separate video and I'm going to be swatching all of the colors. I just love the packaging. The color is on top of the bottle. Like hell, I have previous gel liners and they don't look anything like this. So I thought this was just so unique and so pretty. But anyway, I just took out the white gel liner from that collection and I'm just going to do a wavy side French on my index finger and just add a little bit of glitter. Now, once I have cured this nail under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, now I'm going to go ahead and apply top coat over this entire nail. I'm only going to be adding just a tiny bit of rhinestones around the cuticle area on this nail and then give it a final cure for an additional 60 seconds. For my middle finger and my pinky finger, I'm just going to leave this alone because I feel like this design was very busy. So I go in with some top gel as well, and then I add just a few rhinestones around the cuticle area on my middle finger and then my pinky finger. And once I'm done positioning the rhinestones, then I give it a full cure, and here's how this nail is looking. So I was looking at this nail and I was like, I need something else. Something seems to be missing on this nail design. So I decided, remember that Shein haul we just did yesterday? Those beautiful flowers that I showed you at the beginning of that haul, I said, you know what, I'm going to add this big flower. And I felt like it just added the little something that was missing because there's so much going on. Afterwards, I did add in a few butterflies at the base of the nail, and that's how they all turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun nail set. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.